Good morning and welcome to another LeetCode 75. This is Find Pivot Index. It's number 19 in my progress. So, given an array of integers nums, calculate the pivot index of this array. Pivot index is the index where the sum of all numbers strictly to the left of the index equal to the sum of all numbers strictly to the right. If the index is on the left edge of the array, then the left sum is 0 because there are no elements to the left. This also applies to the right edge. Return the leftmost pivot index, such that if no such index exists, return -1. Okay, so that means we're going to go from left to right. So index equals 0, and what do we need to add? Let's see. So we need the sum of the rest of the array. So let's go with right sum equals sum of nums from 1 to the end. Okay, and then while index is less than 0, less than length, we're going to step through. Okay, so while index is less than length, we will, if right sum equals left sum, which is something I have to make, so I'll go back here. So left sum, it starts at 0 because everything to the left of 0 is 0. So, if those are equal, then we're going to break the loop. And then they're not equal, so what we're going to do is we will let's see. So at index 0, everything left of 0 is 0, and everything right of 0 is whatever. Now I'm going to add 0 to the left and subtract 1 from the right. Subtract, yeah. Okay, so left sum plus equals 0, right sum plus equals nums I, right sum minus equals nums I plus 1. Okay, what happens when index is equal to the length? What if I put this up here? And then I started this at 0. So first thing it does is remove the current one, then it checks for equality, and then it adds in the current one. And we're also going to increment I index. Okay, so at the end, if index equals length, then we return -1 because we didn't find an index. Else return the index, right? Output is just the index. Okay. So to code this out, we have index equals 0. Also left sum equals 0. Right sum equals the sum of nums. It's just sum of nums. And then while index is less than length of nums, first we decrement right sum minus equals nums of I index. If right sum equals left sum, it's got to be equality operator. If right sum equals left sum, break, else left sum plus equals the number at the index is nums index and then index plus equals 1 if index equals length of nums, return -1. Return index. And test it out. So far, so good. And we succeed. Beating 46%, although I don't understand how this could be when 75% used more time than me. I'm very confused. But that was a good solution. First try. Thanks for joining me.